Coffee yesterday, so my friend bought me some coffee, which I'm gonna have this morning. And look what the brand. It's one of my favorite Starbucks coffee, Cafe Verona. So yeah, I'm about to make some coffee. I'm about to do some grinding and then do my coffee. One moment. One of my beans in. Like a little bit, don't do a lot. Sometimes I grind enough for a couple days. And then now I'm going to do my a little powdery, like the strength. Let's see what we have right now. So yeah, that's good. So now I'm going to make my coffee. So now I got everything in. Coffee is now warming up. Machine, so it has to get to 198 before I can start using it. So it's going through the process. So let's see. There it is, 198 Fahrenheit. So let me stick my cup here. Okay, I always like to warm my cup up a little. Some warm water from the kettle. Still my cup nice and warm. Around, put it in the sink. And come back here. Now I can brew my coffee. Milk. Old Faithful, half and half.